Hello, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Thanks for connecting me. Again, I am here having a video session. Today, my topic is adjective phrase or adjectival phrase. So today, I would like to let you know about the adjective phrase concept. So I'll teach you today. See, first of all, the definition of the adjectival phrase at the board. Adjectival phrase. An adjective phrase is a phrase which tells us something about the noun in a sentence. It's like a adjective whenever you define the adjective. So it is the same thing. What is the difference? Actually, these are the group of words which are used in a sentence while modifying a noun, so you can easily understand. They can be used before the noun or after the noun it is modifying. So look at, it can be before the noun or after the noun it is modifying. This is the two ways. So look at the example how we can understand easily. The first example, number 1, she had extremely catching eyes. Look at this sentence. Noun, eyes is a noun, so it is being modified by extremely catching. Catching is an adjective that is a present participle as well and had been used as adjective in a sentence. And then extremely is a extra word which tells us about the adjective. So these two group of words are the adjective of phrase which modifies the noun eyes. This is the first pattern. It means that the adjectival phrase can be used before the noun. Whereas the second example, you see, the second example, the dog covered in mud is mine. Now the noun is being used before the adjectival phrase. You have seen on the board, covered in a mud. So this is past participle and it has been used as adjective in a sentence. Covered in mud. In mud is a related word. So covered in mud, these are the adjective phrases. So the dog covered in mud is mine. So covered in mud actually modifies the dog which has been used earlier. So these are the two examples which are purely and simple symptom and recognition are which symbolizes the actually adjective phrases. You can see on the sentences. Here are few sentences more for you. You can easily assess it. Have you ever seen an elephant with white skin? So an elephant with white skin is an adjective phrase. Now an elephant is a noun and with a white skin is an extra word. Second sentence, he was wearing crown made of gold. Crown is a noun, made of gold is the adjective phrase. It tells us about the crown. There I met a girl with blue eyes. A girl is a noun, with blue eyes is an extra word for it. Wild bees in small cages are a sorry sight. So wild bees in small cages, wild bees is a noun and small cages are telling us about the beast and other sorry sight are also telling us about the wild beast as well. So in this sentence we have two adjectival phrases. One is small cages, wild bees small cages and sorry sight. So you can also understand that wild in small cages or wild bees a sorry sight. These are the two adjectival phrases in sentences. The last but not the least, a man with a long beard. A man is a noun with a long beard, adjectival phrase. It tells us about the man, noun. So it is modifier. So these are the examples which shows us that how to use and how to assess the adjectival phrase in sentences. What we have learned in this video session. So recapitulate, I would like to recapitulate as well. We have understood the adjectival phrase definition, that it is always tells us about something about the noun in the sentences and it can be used before the noun and after the noun too. After that we have studied that there are two examples for using adjectival phrases. So she had extremely catching eyes. Extremely catching is an adjective phrase which tells about the noun. Second, the dog covered in mud is mine. Covered in mud is adjective phrase which tells us about the dog that has been used earlier. The previous sentence, the noun has been used after that, but in the second sentence, the noun has been used earlier of the before the adjectival phrases. So these are the examples. You have seen that I have told that how to assess and how to recognize the concept of adjective phrases. I hope so you must have understood the concept of adjective phrases and how to assess this. Thank you very much for being with me. Goodbye.